Toyota makes huge trim level and powertrain changes to the Corolla for 2023. Corolla Mixture models gain SE and XLE trim levels, while all-wheel drive is presently discretionary for half-breed SE and XLE manages. The 139 horsepower 1.8 liters sold with the XLE and XLE manages has been supplanted by the 169 horsepower 2.0 liter, already just accessible with SE, XSE, and Pinnacle. Another 8.0-inch infotainment screen replaces more modest showcases on all Corollas as standard gear. The XSE and XLE currently utilize an upgraded 7.0-inch check group. All models get a refreshed 4.2-inch sponge. Each Corolla gets minor visual changes like drove daytime driving lights and upgraded headlights for the SE, XSE, and XLE. The SE and XSE models likewise get another back diffuser and new 18-inch Sparkle Graphite wheels. Corolla hatchbacks have an upgraded grille, drove headlights, and back guard with chrome emphasizes. At last, the base L trim has been eliminated, leaving low models as the new section-level Corolla. We pick the lively-ish SE vehicle. Alongside a tauter suspension that makes it more pleasant to drive than the ordinary arrangement, it's accessible with a manual transmission. We joyfully look at that case, despite the fact that it voids the choice bundles that are generally accessible with the standard consistently factor program transmission, CVT. Fortunately, the Corolla SE car actually comes standard with a lot of elements to keep us fulfilled. The rundown incorporates 18-inch wheels, a calfskin managed controlling wheel, front game seats, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Corolla utilizes a 169 horsepower 2.0-liter four-chamber that sends capacity to the front wheels through a constantly factor programmed transmission, CVT. A discretionary 6-speed manual is accessible for SE and Pinnacle SE models. While all hatchbacks share that equivalent powertrain, the vehicle likewise offers a half-breed powertrain. Our trial of the Corolla SE hatchback and the Corolla XSE vehicle demonstrated that even the most grounded motor doesn't convey satisfactory speed increase. The Toyota twins were very reasonable in and out of town and consistent on the roadway, be that as it may. Tragically, hard speed increase created coarse motor sounds that lessened their refinement. Both the Corolla and the hatchback have a wonderful ride quality that sufficiently secludes everything except the most terrible knocks. Their controlled body movements likewise give preferable readiness over past cycles. The Corolla SE and XSE further separate themselves with a stiffer game-tuned suspension and the last bigger 18-inch wheels. All the other things rides on one or the other 15 or 16-inch edges. In any case, contrasted and athletic and connecting with rivals, for example, the Mazda 3 and Volkswagen Golf, the Corolla's gradual controlling is agreeable yet not excellent. While neither one of the Corolla's body style had amazing outcomes in our 70 mph to 0 slowing down test, expecting somewhere in the range of 174 and 183 feet, their brake pedals were trustworthy in normal inclination.